Hey Fit Fam, today we're going to make a semi-healthy alfredo sauce. So as some of you may know, I am a pescatarian, but I do not enforce my kids to follow a pescatarian diet, so they do eat poultry and very little beef. So this is why I'm going to just make the sauce, and then I'll top it with shrimp for me and chicken for them. I did do a little cheat code here, which is the frozen peppers and onions. Notice that I used about 2 tablespoons of butter to grease the bottom, then I took it out to saute these onions and peppers. Definitely easier, faster, and pretty much just as good. So once I get these sauteed down, I will take them out, put them to the side, and then work on the alfredo sauce. That same 2 tablespoons of butter. So we're going to make a roux first, and yes, it's going to be a little tan because I'm going to use whole wheat flour for my roux instead of white. Judge me not, but that's what we're going to do today. Gonna whisk it so that it's smooth, all the lumps are out. Gonna wait till it gets a little brown, and then add a cup of milk. At this point, it really doesn't matter if it's dairy or non-dairy. I only keep non-dairy milk, so that's what it is, even though I'm gonna add high protein Greek yogurt that is dairy. Again, I do not enforce a pescatarian or a non-dairy diet for my girls. So we're just going to use what we have. You can see it's getting thick, which is a good thing. That's where we want it. Allow it to simmer for a while. And what you see there is about a 1/4 cup of cream cheese. So some alternatives to using cream cheese, you could have used cottage cheese, but I would definitely say if you decide to do that, make sure you blend it first to get the lumps out, because it will look a little unpleasant if you keep the cottage cheese in its natural form in the alfredo sauce. So blend it first. But I had cream cheese, so that's what we're going to use. Continue to season at every level. As you notice, I seasoned the peppers, I seasoned the sauce. Going to add a little bit of Italian blend here. And then we have our creamy masterpiece. Look at that cheese pool, as they call it. Ow! Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a video.